Is there any evidence that robots and other technologies and technological innovations could boost productivity in the healthcare sector? And what have we learned from cases like Japan's?
There are two aspects to the healthcare issue that you mentioned. The first aspect is the mechanical task of looking after the elderly. I think there can be many solutions to that. There could be physical robots that go around doing a lot of things for you. You mentioned Japan and government subsidies. The government has subsidized a program in Japan which gave $1,000 per robot used. And those robots were not really, the kind of Arthur C. Clarke and Isaac Asimov kind of robots that we tend to think about. They were simple devices, for example, bedwetting sensors, and those were all considered robots. And one aspect of their study was it did cut overtime, but none of the nurses were let go because of those robots being employed. And that brings us to the second aspect of looking after the elderly, which is empathy. People, particularly with neurodegenerative conditions, need warmth. You don't need a mechanical response. You need more than that if you're to have a quality of life. And so I think that aspect of the story really makes it difficult to believe that you can, to a large extent, withdraw people from looking after the elderly, whether it's within the family or whether it's from the external workforce, which means that particular individual cannot do something else that would have been economically productive. They're doing something socially productive, but not really in the sense that we think of as a worker.